Okay, try natin sagutin itong assignment yata ito ng from common. Ito yung simultaneous equation with 3 variables. So, hanapin natin ang value ng variables natin, x, y, and z, mga variables. So, 2x minus 3y minus z is equals 12. Then 3x plus 2y plus z equals negative 1. Then 6x minus y plus 2z is equal to negative 3. Okay, sige. Try natin. First, ito yung equation 1 natin. Tapos, ito yung equation 2 natin. Tapos, ito yung question 3 natin. Since equation 1 at saka equation 2, we have negative z and positive z. So, pwede natin eliminate yung z yan. So, simply by adding equation 1 at saka equation 2. So, kung i-add natin yan, ang x natin magiging 5x. Ito yung natin. Equation 1 plus equation 2. So, sa y naman, pag i-add natin, magkaroon tayo dito ng negative y kasi positive 3 plus 2. So, na magiging negative y na lang din. Automatic, yung z natin, may eliminate na siya kasi positive at saka negative. Then, dito naman, pag i-add natin yung constant natin, 12 and negative 1, so magkaroon tayo dito ng positive 11. So, ito na yung equation 4 natin. The next, between equation 2 at saka 3 naman, so eliminate natin si z ulit para magkaroon tayo ng equation 5 with x and y na variable. So, since meron tayong positive z at saka positive 2z, so pwede tayo multiply ng 2 sa equation natin, then subtract by equation 3. So, itong guide natin, equation 2 times 2 subtract by equation 3. So, ito yung guide natin. So, equation 2 times 2 magiging 6, then subtracted by equation 3 which is negative 6. Automatic mag-eliminate din tayo dito sa x. So, dito sa y naman, times 2 magiging 4y, then subtract by negative y. Pag mag-subtract tayo, magiging positive yung negative y. So, magkaroon tayo dito ng 5y. Then, sa 2z naman, automatic na yan, mag-eliminate kasi mag-positive 2z tayo, then subtracted by 2. Kasi positive 2z sa equation 3, magiging negative. So, ma-eliminate na yun yung z natin. Then, dito naman, times 2 tayo. Times 2, sa negative 1, magiging negative 2. Then, subtract by equation 3 which is 3. So, magiging negative 5. So, ito yung equation 5 natin. So, from equation 5, magkaroon tayo dito ng y is equal to negative 1. Kasi, mag-divide both sides tayo by 5. So, 5y is equal to negative 5 is the same as y is equal to 1. So, ito na yung equation 6 natin. The next, 6, ito yung meron na tayong value ng y. So, ang next natin is 6 into equation 4. So, kumbaga, i-inject lang natin yung equation 6 natin which is y is equal to negative 1 doon sa ating equation 4. So, magkaroon tayo dito ng 5x, then subtract by negative 1 kasi negative 1 yung y natin is equal to 11. Then, magkaroon tayo dito ng 5x negative times negative 1, so magkaroon na yung positive 2 is equal to 11. Then No, sorry. Positive 1, sorry. Positive 1. Positive 1. So, next, magkaroon tayo dito ng 5x is equal to 11 minus 1 kasi transpose natin si positive 1 dun sa kabila. Or, ang term dyan is subtract both sides by negative 1. So, dito naman, magkaroon tayo ng 5x is equal to 10, then x is equal to 2. So, ito na yung 7 and 10. So, magkaroon tayo ng y is equal to negative 1, then x is equal to 2. So, pwede natin i-substitute doon ini kahit saan dyan sa 1, 2, and 3 na mga equation natin sa taas. So, para madali, doon na lang tayo sa equation number 1. So, magkaroon tayo dito ng 2 times 2 kasi ang x natin is 2. Then, minus 3 times negative 1 yung y natin. Minus z kasi solve natin yung si z natin kasi meron na tayong value ni x at saka value ni y. Then z equals to 12. Then magkaroon tayo ng 2 times 2 is 4. Then negative 3 times negative 1, magkaroon tayo ng positive 3 minus z is equal to 12. Then 4 plus 3 is 7 minus z is equal to 12. Then negative z is equal to 12 minus 7 is equal to negative z is equal to 5. Then z is equal to negative 5. So, ito na yung values natin ni variables natin na x, y, at saka z. So, kapag ang value answer natin dito is x is equal to 2, then y is equal to negative 1, and z is equal to negative 5. Okay. Try natin i-check natin kahit sa equation 2 lang natin kung tama ba tayo. Nagkaroon tayo dito na equation 2 natin is 3x. Ito siya. 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to negative 1. So, magkaroon tayo na plus 2y plus z is equal to negative 1. Then ang 3 na ang x natin base sa sagot natin, x natin is 2, then y is equal to negative 1, then z is equal to negative 5. So magkaroon tayo dito ng 3 times 2 plus 2 times negative 1 magiging negative 5 kasi pas negative 5 yung z natin, so from positive at saka negative. Then is equal to negative 1. So dapat ang left hand side natin at saka right hand side must be negative 1 para tama, natin na tama yung sagot natin. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then we have negative 5 is equal to negative 1. Then we have 2 negative 2 at saka negative 5. So pwede natin yan i-add first. So magkaroon tayo ng negative 7 is equal to negative 1. Then 6 minus 7 is negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Kaya tama po tayo dito sa ating sagot na x plus 2 x is equal to 2y is equal to negative 1 and z is equal to negative 5. So to confirm, pwede nyo i-confirm dito sa ating equation 3 which is 6x minus y plus 2z plus 3. Ganun naman po. Ang tawag nito is elimination method ang tawag nito na solution. Okay.